Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again. And there's the plow truck going by. Like a giant ass plow truck's going down. But anyways, look at all that snow. It's like mountains of snow outside. But I think the blizzard's finally over. I'm not 100% sure, but it was snowing all day today. Look at how much the snow drifted up. It's almost as tall as that building almost. It's windy as fuck out here. But yeah, it was snowing all day today. And I think it finally just stopped. I was doing some day drinking today, and I fucking kind of slept half of the day. And then now I just woke back up. All the doors shut. Fuck. Yeah, let's walk around. It's windy as hell out here today. It's so windy, like look at how deep I am in the snow right now. It's up to my knees. This is insane. See, this is like empty apartment, I think. There's a lot of people moving out because of the corporate landowners. Oh, but yeah, I'm up like past my knees right here. Oh my god. See? Oh my god. That's how deep it is. That snowbank is like up to my head. Yeah, like literally, these snowbanks come up all the way up to the windows and shit. This is what it's like in Menominee right now. I can't even get to the dumpster over there. Like the snow's all the way up to my knees to the dumpster over there. Look at that shit. There's my car right there. My car's completely buried in the snow. I'm gonna have trouble getting that out. Look how high the snowbanks are. It's higher than the cars and shit. Anyways, like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.